Hi there, this is my luck. And tonight I'm going to try and pick this Ultion 3-star diamond Dimple on camera, see how we get on. I picked it a couple of times last night. And, if I'm honest, dimple locks are something I've not really done a lot of. Well, we'll give it a go, see how we get on. And we'll put the bottom of the keyway tensioner in the right, and we'll use a number 3 huck flag to pick from the left. We click with 2, and after that it's just a case of get the pick stuck in there and give it a twiddle. And there we go. So there's no trap pins on this lock. It's just the driver pins have popped up into the plug. So I'll try and push them down and turn. There we go, 360. I won't be getting this lock. To be honest, I'm that inexperienced with dimple locks that getting them still kind of gives me the fear. After watching a video with Lock Noob on this lock, he said it took about an hour for him to put it back together. So if somebody like Lock Noob takes an hour to put that lock back together, I've got no chance. So we'll just leave it as it is. But yeah, I mean, it's not a difficult pick. It's just this wording here. The keyway is a bit nasty. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed that, folks, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.